In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CSV file on Salesforce. We'll walk through using Salesforce's data import wizard to bring your spreadsheet data into the right place. Check that your columns line up with Salesforce fields and finish the import cleanly. First, sign into your Salesforce account. In the upper right corner, click the gear icon. From the dropdown, choose the option to open Advanced Setup. When Setup loads, look to the left panel. At the top of that panel, there's a search bar. Type Data Import Wizard, then select it from the results. On the Data Import Wizard page, choose Import My Data. A pop-up window will open and guide you through the rest. In the pop-up, click Start. You'll be asked what type of records you want to import. You can choose leads, contacts, accounts, or campaign members. Pick the type that matches your CSV. For this example, select Contacts and click Next. The pop-up refreshes and asks who your contacts are. Choose whether they're from other companies or individuals. For this walkthrough, select Individuals, then click Next. Next, you'll confirm your file type. Choose the option indicating that you have a CSV file, and click Next. Click Upload Files. Your computer's file browser will open. Locate your CSV, select it, and confirm. Back in the pop-up, click Next and wait a moment while the wizard analyzes your file. You'll now see the field mapping screen. This shows the columns from your CSV on one side and the Salesforce fields on the other. Review each mapping carefully. Make sure every important column, like first name, last name, email, phone, or any custom fields you rely on, matches a Salesforce field. If anything is mismatched or unmapped, adjust it manually using the drop-downs. Pay special attention to required fields. If a required Salesforce field isn't mapped, the import will skip those rows. It's also helpful if your CSV headers are clear and consistent, as that makes automatic matching more accurate. Once everything looks correct, click Import. The wizard will begin processing your file. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a moment. When the pop-up refreshes to confirm completion, click Done. That's the process. If you need to bring in other data types, simply repeat the same flow, choosing the appropriate record type at the start. For smoother results, keep your CSV clean, use consistent formatting, and verify a few sample records after import to make sure everything landed where you expect. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.